with us now to help break all this down, National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, thank you for being on with both of us. We have been talking about this part of this case as we're listening to this expert or this witness testify. The reality of how responsible is the defendant criminally if they think about things like the kids in the car that turned left in front of that speeding trooper didn't slow down or didn't stop before they took the turn. Perhaps there was someone blocking the view or causing the driver not to be able to see. Other things that could be construed as contributory in nature to this accident. Is it important?
It's important, but cases are won and lost in different stages of the game. In this case, in the charging decisions, I think that the prosecutors knew that they would confront this. And so the way they charged this case, I think, was very, very perfect, because the charges don't require them to show that he had any type of criminal intent. So you're bringing up the contributory negligent actions by the other drivers, which may or may not come in, which may or may not be true. But if they are very important, because it comes down to how culpable was a defendant in the actions. And at the end of the day, the defendant was going approximately 90 miles an hour in a 55-mile-an-hour zone without it, in a dark road, a wet road. So at the end of the day, the things that you brought up are very relevant. They're very important. It's just going to come down to the jury seeing, how much did they contribute to their death and how much did he contribute to their death. I don't think it looks good for him, because the charges do not require the prosecution to show criminal intent. These are very important, but obviously not the whole thing.